A group of students from the University of Central Florida were recently in St. Kitts and Nevis doing a project on air pollution and how this can affect a sustainable tourism destination. The students were under the guidance of lecturer at the Clarence Fitzroy Brand College, CFBC, Dr. Leighton Narain. Dr. Michael Hampton, lecturer at the University of Central Florida Department of Chemistry, told SK Newsline that the purpose of the trip is to help establish sustainable tourism in St. Kitts and Nevis.
The purpose is to help establish sustainable tourism and also to see if there's any other sources of pollution we can help identify and mitigate to keep the island beautiful.
All right. Give us a quick synopsis of what has been happening so far since your arrival.
What we're doing is, first of all, measuring air quality, and we're looking at total volatile organic compounds as well as carbon dioxide. And so we're doing it at ground level with handheld sensors, and we also have a drone that has a sensor that we're flying to get higher elevation measurements.
All right.
And the idea is to look for the plume of any kind of pollution that there might be, and then see where it's settling on the ground and see what's under it, and there check soil quality, look at plants and animals, and also looking at water.
Dr. Hampton gave an insight into some of the information garnered from the research.
We've been looking at also changes as we progress, like from the beach up over the dune and into an area inland, and seeing quite a gradient. So it's been very interesting. And just today is the first day we've had the drone, so we're starting to look at higher elevation measurements as well.
Meanwhile, some of the students on the project shared their experience.
My name is Stephanie Rodriguez, and I'm majoring in chemistry at the University of Central Florida. So this here is used to measure volatile organic compounds in parts per million. It works pretty effectively, or so they have been working pretty effectively on the island. And this one here is used to measure carbon dioxide in ppm as well. And they also both measure relative humidity and temperature. So the CO2 meter actually measures in real time through the computer, and the VOC meter also measures in real time, and we just download the data once we finish everything.
My name's Morgan Baronic. I'm a biomedical sciences major from the University of Central Florida. Well, since we've landed, we've met with Dr. Narain from CFCB, and we've been going around and meeting different people, trying to experience the culture, going to the beach and going to a few different stores, while also meeting with the 4 other CFBC students and going around the island with them and talking to them, learning about them, and also collecting data with them.
My name is Alina Rivera, and I am a Mass Communications and Latin American Studies major from the University of Central Florida.
What's your involvement in the project?
My job is mainly to document the project with this drone and taking pictures from like higher altitudes and of the actual students in SBCU and UCF, and yeah.
Right. How has the experience been for you?
It's been pretty eye-opening since my major isn't really chemistry or science-based, so I've learned a lot just being around them.
My name is Morgan Langelier. I'm a chemistry major at the University of Central Florida. It's so great to finally be able to be here and actually make a difference.
Communities such as Connery at the landfill, Keys Beach, the seaport where the cruise ships dock, in Frigate Bay by the pond in front of the Timothy Beach Hotel, and in Nevis at the landfill and in Charlestown. Reporting for SK Newsline, I'm Andre Huey.